Hi, I'm John, and I have a Hycross, Innova Hycross, and I just got it recently. And I bought it for some seats and some fabric, with some trims that need to be used. And I came to heard of this person called this company called Orchis, and we had a talk and they gave a reasonable quote. So I have done the work. The work has been done and it looks quite good. Neat job, nice job. It's a clean job. So I'm happy with the way that how it has progressed and how the results have come. So I can recommend them to anyone. They are in Mumbai and Vikroli. You can get it done through them. Thank you.